Hello my lovelies, I hope you are doing great. So in this video, we are going to solve for this problem where we need to calculate the shaded area. So let's just analyze the figure first. In this figure, we are given with the right triangle, and this right triangle has a semicircle inside it, and this shaded region is nothing but a quadrant. And if we are going to see hypotenuse of the right triangle, this hypotenuse is tangential to semicircle and the quadrant both, and these are nothing but the point of tangencies, and all of the distance over the hypotenuse are equal in measure, that is 2 units. So let's get started and see how we're gonna solve for this problem. We have this figure. Let's draw a line joining from this corner of the right triangle to this point. So we'll get this. Now this is nothing but the radius of the quadrant, right? And we know radius are perpendicular to the tangents at a point of contact, so these angles are going to be right angles. Now we don't need this semicircle actually, so I'll remove it, so my updated figure will look like this. Now what else? Let's just mark this angle and name it as x. Now if this is x, so this is going to be 90 minus x. Similarly, if I'll talk about this triangle using the angle sum property, this angle is going to be 90 minus x. And if I'll talk about this corner angle, this would be x only. So now let's remove the shaded area and focus on the triangles only. So we'll get this, right? Now if I'm going to name this figure, let's name this figure first. We have these triangles, and I can see that the corresponding angles of both the triangles are same. So if the corresponding angles are same, then these triangles are similar. So I can write that triangle ADB is similar to triangle BDC by comparing the corresponding angles. Now we know there is a property of similar triangles that the corresponding sides of similar figures are in same proportion, right? So we'll get this, that AD upon BD is equal to BD upon CD. Substituting the values, we'll get this 2 upon R is equal to R upon 4, and on cross multiplication I'll be getting that R square is equal to 8. Now we have the value of R square. Let's just move to the original figure, which is this. We need to solve for the shaded area, and the shaded region is nothing but a quadrant only. Therefore, the shaded area is equal to the area of the quadrant. So shaded area is equals to pi r square by 4. We already solved for the value of r square, so substituting the value of r square, we will get pi into 8 by 4, and on solving this we'll be getting 2 pi square units as our shaded area. So that's my answer for the shaded region area. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. See you in the next one.